How to use Uber Verify Your Ride Safety feature. To use this feature, first of all, go ahead and open the Uber application itself. Then tap on your profile or account icon located on the bottom right. From there, head to the settings option. From there, scroll a little bit down and you should be able to find this PIN verification option. Go ahead and tap on it. And from here, you should be able to choose the PIN verify option. However, it is not shown over here because this feature is not yet available in my region. But once you click on it, you should be able to choose between two preferences, which is only at night and every ride. Once you select any of these options, tap done and save your setting. Now, once you've done so, all your rides will be verified only after typing that specific PIN that you and your driver get. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.